These grapes look delicious, but the price is higher than last week.
Yes, but the sweetness inside is worth more than a few extra coins.
And what if I pay and the taste does not satisfy me?
Then you will know that not all choices bring joy, but all bring wisdom.
Are you okay? You seem a bit overwhelmed.
I've been afraid of choosing wrongly. Sometimes I feel life demands too much and gives too little back.
Life, like grapes, has sour ones and sweet ones, both needed to make wine.
The sour moments prepare me for the sweeter ones?
Exactly. Each challenge makes the good times.
Then the true value is not in the price, but in the lesson taken.
Yes, value is measured in growth, not only in money.
If every choice carries wisdom, why do some still leave a weight behind?
Because wisdom stays, even after the moment passes.
And that weight, does it ever fade?
It softens when you understand why you carried it. Wisdom often does.
Then safety is not always kindness.
No, growth is kinder, though less comfortable.
Today I will buy not just for taste, but for the reminder to keep learning.
That's a beautiful choice.
Thank you.
And you will see, Aisha, every fruit carries both nourishment and wisdom. Wrong choices teach faster than safe ones. Only for honesty. That is where balance begins.
I think I came here worried about the price.
These grapes are from our best vines.
Switched upright for here.
Then this purchase has already paid for itself. And you are leaving with perspective.
Assume it.
So life is not asking for perfection. Honesty with myself. Thank you for the grapes and for the reminder.
Then whatever you choose next will nourish you. Walk gently, Aisha. Taste slowly.